Welcome back everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to enable night mode in the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile device. This feature is very useful if you browse at night and want to reduce eye strain. First, open the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll down until you find the Appearance section and tap on it. Here you will see the Night Mode option. Finally, turn on Enable Night Mode. Then click on Relaunch Now. Once enabled, the browser interface will immediately switch to a darker theme that is easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and thank you for watching.